Can't do it. Nuns can do baby whales. Hey guys, what is up? What is up? Let's just wait कि बहुत सारे लोग हमको join करेंगे. I don't know what's happening. I just tried like 100 and thousands of times कि MTV Hustle पे I can go live, but it's not giving me an option. I don't know what's up. So अभी MTV Hustle पे the founder of To The Culture will be joining us, and मेरे Instagram पे we will be doing this live. So let's just wait that they send us the request. Let's see. MTV Hustle is here. Okay. I will be the host today. Waiting for MTV Hustle to join.
What's up?
Hey!
Hello यार, कितनी रात दिखवा रहे यार. इतनी रात तो कोई नहीं दिखवाता. Finally.
And people were asking you to rap. I saw that. Network issues still. Hey guys, what is up? जो भी लोग यहाँ पे मेरे Instagram पे देख रहे हैं, check कर रहे हैं. This is me, Anzi.
Yes.
I will introduce my own self.
Yes. So, as you know, this is Hustle from Home. We have, good rappers, upcoming rappers, established rappers. सब आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर हर शाम को 6 बजे. And as everyone knows, this is a female week. So, आप भी यहाँ पे हो. And I have a lot of questions, जिसमें से बहुत से questions रहेंगे जो तुमने 1000 बार दिए रहेंगे उसके जवाब, but we still want you to answer in short. ठीक है?
No issue.
एंड गाइस जो देख रहे हैं, फाइनली वी आर हियर. आपके पास जो भी क्वेश्चंस है ड्रॉप करो फटफट, एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर हर टू आंसर ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग जितना भी पॉसिबल हो. ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट.
Wait. I can't see you. Like you are buffering. यहाँ पे कमेंट सेक्शंस में let me know कि सिर्फ मेरे साथ ही ऐसा हो रहा है या फिर आप सबको भी ये नहीं दिख रहा है. I can't see you. Like you're buffering constantly.
आई थिंक मेरा नेटवर्क
बहुत बुरा लग रहा है मुझे. I wanted this to go like very smooth.
I know, I was so excited. मैं कल से बहुत excited था. अब आ रहा है?
नहीं.
जरा भी नहीं.
You're buffering. Let me know in the comments, guys, कि सिर्फ मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है या फिर इनके like आप सब
Okay. I think
सबके साथ हो रहा है या people are saying सबके साथ हो रहा है.
मैं
Full blur है. I can't see you. So sad. I'm so sad. Can't see the host. Well, it's not on me. Just kidding. We are so sorry, guys. We are literally so sorry. Yeah, finally you're back. Yes.
We get थोड़ा लेट, बट यस वी हैव अ सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जो बहुत टाइम से मैंने लिख के रखे हैं जो आई वांट टू आस्क. एंड बहुत से क्वेश्चन ऐसे रहेंगे जिनके जवाब तुम दे रहे के थक गए, बट स्टिल वी वांट दैट आंसर इन शॉर्ट, जितना जल्दी हो सकता है उतना. एंड बिफोर पीपल गेट बोर्ड, लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहला कॉमन क्वेश्चन, क्या चल रहा है लॉकडाउन में? हाउ इज इट गोइंग?
It's going pretty good, man. I'm just writing a lot of songs.
Yes.
Quarantine is all about collaborations for me. मैं बिल्कुल ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि हिप हॉप सीन में जितने भी लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे we can't really go out and shoot. तो we're managing with audios, but as a community, we're just trying to grow as much as we can.
Yes.
So yeah, that's what happened.
And congratulations for baby. और मेरे को इसके पीछे की कहानी सुनने की, सिकंदर खालो को, मतलब इट इज लाइक अ ड्रीम कोलैबोरेशन बहुत जन के लिए. और कैसे हुआ, जस्ट लेके जाओ, स्टोरी बताओ यार.
Okay, so all of you guys जिनको नहीं पता है, अभी लेटेस्ट मेरा गाना रिलीज हुआ है बेबी विद सिकंदर खालो, and I'm so glad by जो भी रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है. We've already crossed 70,000 views on that just on an audio, and for me it's like a huge thing.
Right.
So how it really happened कि there is one fan page of mine, I don't know which one, there are like 5 or 6 of them. So he or she just messaged Sikandar Kalo and to collaborate with me. Like, God bless that person, whoever that is. And he or she sent me that screenshot. He said, yeah, let's do it.
Wow.
So he was like okay with collaborating with me. Apparently he must have known about my work. He would have seen my work.
Right.
So yeah, as soon as I got that screenshot, I was like, yes, let's do this. And मैंने एक अलग टाइप का गाना बनाया था. Like it's a very different vibe in a R&B kind of rap in Punjabi because I'm Punjabi. So I sent him the song and he absolutely loved it. एक दिन में he sent his verse एंड उसके बाद
Wow.
आई हैव वन प्रोड्यूसर नेम बलराज, उसने बीट बनाई एंड हमने 3-4 बार बीट बनवाई, बट या वी मेड अ बैंगर आफ्टर दैट.
Yeah, yeah, of course. It is sounding like crazy on the बहुत and especially जो collab था. I think when I saw the flyer, I was like, wow, like Sikandar खा लो because it is like
इट्स
so.
हैपनिंग.
Yes. सब और एक सबसे कॉमन क्वेश्चन भोजन ने पूछा रहेगा कि टेल अस इन शॉर्ट लाइक हाउ यू गॉट इनटू रैप. ये रैप का कीड़ा कैसे लगा?
Well, I would say कि I didn't find rap. Hip hop
Okay.
found me.
Oh.
Because शुरू से ही since I was 14 or 15, I used to write. I used to write
Mm-hmm.
songs, but only pop. क्योंकि एक Hannah Montana के कीड़ा था मेरे दिमाग में कि best
Right.
of both worlds, and I just wanted that life. I
Mm-hmm.
always knew कि I would have to do something extraordinary in my life. Like I was not meant for the 9 to 5 at all. तो मुझे ये बात already पता थी. So there was this talent hunt मेरे कॉलेज में. I was in Delhi University, Delhi College of
Mm-hmm.
Arts and Commerce, and जैसे ही मैं स्टेज पे चढ़ी, मैंने ऑलरेडी एक गाना प्रिपेयर कर रखा था जो मुझे गाना था, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई मैंने अपने एक बीट बॉक्सर दोस्त को बोला कि जस्ट गेट ऑन द स्टेज, लाइक विल डू एन इम्प्रॉम्प्टू थिंग, एंड मैंने निकी मिनाज का सुपर बेस रैप किया, एंड
Okay.
जो रिस्पॉन्स आया दैट वाज लाइक सो फिनोमिनल.
Wow.
लाइक जब भी मैं गाना गाती थी तो वो रिस्पॉन्स उतना लाइक सेम नहीं था बिल्कुल भी. तो आई थिंक कि एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑन द स्टेज आई जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली न्यू कि मुझे यही ही करना है. And
Okay.
उसके बाद से I didn't stop. I wrote
Wow.
my first song that was Wasted Love. It took me what 6 months to make that song like a proper music video because I wanted to
Mm-hmm.
come in the industry like a bang, like Agzi.
Right.
So that's how it happened. Yeah.
राइट राइट नाइस नाइस. सो और एक मेरा जो पर्सनल फेवरेट है वो है गेम चेंज जो आया था. इसके पहले आया था लाइक आई थिंक ये वो भी इसी दौरान यू ड्रॉप लाइक लास्ट टू लास्ट वीक आई गेस. गेम
Rap
चेंज
game.
या रैप गेम. यस 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 रैप गेम. सो उसमें 2-3 लाइन तो यार इतना डीप है लाइक इट इज लाइक स्ट्रेट अप. सो इज इट लाइक फॉर समवन और इज इट फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंस? टेल मी a story about.
Okay, sauce. You want all the sauce?
Yes.
So rap game is like basically for the whole industry. कि I think it's full of politics. बहुत ज़्यादा politics भरा हुआ है. People बाहर से show करते हैं कि that they want you to prosper,
Right.
they want you to grow, but
Mm-hmm.
अंदर से like I am still a competition, and anybody like just not me, anybody who tries to grow in the industry, like everybody says that yes we are there for you, but अंदर से they are like Amrish Puri की रूह सड़े. So
Right.
it was like rap game, big plot, तेरे में ना बा दो हाथ एक रात kill don't get खा याला. rap game, big plot, दो हाथ एक रात एक गलती shot.
Nice. So let's go back. I have few questions which is related to the show. Okay. सबसे पहला
Yes.
तो it was for the first time happening. किसी को पता नहीं कि रैप का शो आ रहा है, कैसा आ रहा है, क्या होगा, MTV is doing it, स्केल क्या रहेगा, but it turned out to be like a most watched show.
Huge.
Yes. So सबसे पहला जब कॉल आया था तो दिमाग में क्या आया था?
MTV didn't even say कि it was for MTV. पता है when my management got the call, so they were like कि एक शो आ रहा है रैपर्स के बारे में, बट हम आपको ये नहीं बता सकते कि उसका नाम क्या है, हम आपको ये नहीं बता सकते कहाँ पे आएगा एंड कुछ भी. And I was almost not doing the show.
Okay.
And I would have so regretted it, but I did it. But जब फिर finally पता चला I gave some auditions, like मैंने ऐसी auditions भेज दिए थे, like some clips they wanted,
Mm-hmm.
without knowing that it is for MTV. And
Wow.
उसके बाद when we finally got to know, it was like yes, this is happening. Like
Okay.
finally we got that break that we were wanting to get.
Right. Right.
So it was like very exciting after that, and
Wow.
upward.
And I want to know the mystery behind your name. मतलब ये stage name का क्या फंडा है? XZ मतलब क्या है? Is it it has some meaning या फिर ऐसी क्या thought है?
Agsi.
Oh.
Fire. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Don't you know?
Wow. नहीं मतलब ऐसा मतलब सोचा नहीं था, मेरे को लगा कुछ रहेगा, but it's good यार. Fire obviously अच्छा है. Nice. So tell me the overall journey, कैसा experience था show का?
काफी अच्छा था. Like I would say कि I became this person because of MTV Hustle. I would say,
Okay.
क्योंकि I got to learn like बहुत सारी चीजें from the contestants, from taking things more professionally. इससे पहले I was like definitely doing my own stuff, Like if MTV Hustle would not have happened, I would have still been doing the same thing, but growth उतनी ज़्यादा fast नहीं होती, I would say.
Right.
But वहाँ पे जाके, living with all these contestants, there were 14 other rappers from whole of India जो एक साथ एक घर में रह रहे 3 महीने के लिए.
Yes.
So you get to learn a lot.
A lot.
उनके behavior
A
से,
lot.
like EPR and him, they have been doing it since forever.
Yeah.
उनकी, attitude से ही उनकी, like that giving personality that they both have.
Mm-hmm.
So I got to learn a lot from that. I got to know that how did rap came to be in India, because these were some of the people who started rap. It's been going on since I think 1990s. So it's just been 30 years that rap's in India. उसके अलावा I got to get all of those costumes, rap in Hindi. मेरे लिए rapping in Hindi was such a big thing क्योंकि MTV Hustle पे आने से पहले I just used to rap in English. That's it. Like मेरा एक genre है, like my own thing that I'm very comfortable in. That is mixing Punjabi with that English touch. So that's me.
Right.
But MTV Hustle एक national platform था, and we couldn't really do all Punjabi and all English. So I had to push like myself बहुत ज़्यादा to go to that platform, and हर हफ्ते मेरे को एक नया गाना लिखना था. वहाँ पे like there were some contestants who had some songs already written and they could remake them and perform them. But maybe it was very difficult. मेरे पास कोई हिंदी गाने थे ही नहीं, and I had to write everything every week and learn it and then go for the costumes. It was very overwhelming. But I managed somehow. And
anything you miss the most about the show?
I miss being on TV.
And like if I want to ask you, who was your, like if you can pick up like 2-3 of your favorite show में से? I know it is difficult, but
it's just me, myself and I.
नहीं, आपको छोड़ के.
I don't have any favorites, to be honest. Can't really pick any favorites.
Oh. अच्छा, one thing, okay, best performance के बारे में सब बात करते हैं, लेकिन one performance which you feel कि यार खुद का performance, one performance which you feel कि यार अगर मेरे को ये वापस मौका मिला तो I'll kill it.
I'll kill it. I think Danav.
Yeah. Okay. So you think
was the first song जो horrorcore, I introduced horrorcore into India. And उसमें एक जगह पे था that I missed that high note. And आज तक भी मुझे उस चीज का regret होता है. I think कि अगर वो नहीं हुआ होता तो maybe I would have been in the finals. But that was such a song, man. That was such a song. आज तक भी, like when I wrote Danav, it is a horror kind of a song. And जब मैंने 3 बजे बैठ के वो complete किया, मेरे को खुद को इतना ज़्यादा डर लग रहा था. मुझे आवाज़ें आ रही थी, and I was like literally shaking कि ये क्या हो गया.
ऐसा भी होता है?
Out after, yeah, first time.
Wow. Can we have, a lot of people are asking for a small verse, if you can do it. Guys, क्या सुनना है? क्या सुनना है? Yes, please let me know in the comment section. Yes. I know हम दोनों ने आपको काफी ignore कर दिया है. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ. Yeah. And I want to know about your upcoming song also, जिसके बारे में अपन बात करेंगे. Sure. Apart from performance like the post, okay, I think we can go with anything you feel like. Okay, let's do rap game. That is a very underground kind of a vibe. I would love to do that. Let's do that. Rap game. सुनाई दे रहा है? Rap game. No one can do it like this. Rap game. Rap game. Desi. Rap game. Big plot. तेरे में बा दो हाथ एक रात क्यों डोंगे खा रैप गेम बिग प्लॉट 2 हाथ 1 रात एक गलती शॉट आओ बताओ इंडस्ट्री का सच तुम्हें कलम से ज्यादा पॉलिटिक्स चले बाहर से हांजी बधाइयों अंदर से अमरीश पुरी की रूह सड़े मुझे हम खुश नहीं है भाई क्या है ना डॉन कभी रॉन्ग नहीं होता था पर इस बार चले थे बुझाने आग सी जाहिर है हाथ तो जलेगा कौन हाथ कौन बाप किसने शब्दों के खेल में किसी को पीटा मेरा एक बाप दैट्स यूज मेरी माँ हिपालेरा खैर कहते कुछ लोग इसे जंगल एक होता राजा बाकी सब दंगल बाकी सब दलदल में कूदे जैसे अंबानी देता हो पल I don't need no bandana रैप की कमी ला हवाना see my username I'll let you live here son ये मेरा ब्रह्मांड रैप गेम बिग प्लॉट
तेरे में न बा 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 दो हाथ एक रात किल डोंगे खा 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 रैप गेम बिग ब्लॉक दो हाथ एक रात एक गलती शॉट 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 आओ बताऊं इंडस्ट्री का सच तुम्हें कलम से ज्यादा पॉलिटिक्स चले बाहर से हंजी बधाइयों अंदर से अमरीश पुरी की रूह सड़े ना मैं एक विलन न बन पाऊं प्राण पत्थर का दिल कैसे बन पाऊं खान पत्थर का दिल बस करना है काम पैसा नशा प्यार को या मिला ईमान ऑनेस्टली मैं prodigy रैप की वो देसी चिक prophecy मैं जिसके बारे में कथाएं सुनाते रैपर्स की खा डूबी इंडस्ट्री I got it all. Give me the ball. I am the king. Call me LeBron. Peaky Blinders call me Paul. Rapper the singer में Jimmy Malone. Shut it pronoun. मेरे गुरु शीशा महान. कल शुरू तो शाना बनेगा तो जंगे ऐलान. Oops, I killed you. Better call Saul. Rapping के सीन में rapping the female. August the haters the feeling it चाहिए क्या हासिल टूटे और female. Trust me, Raja and X ये dealing है. ये बार है 25 में काम. Industry छोटी बढ़ेगा दाम. 22 की उम्र में गैंग ऐसा. 220 RDS गाना है बॉम्ब. ये में संभाल. बढ़ेगा दाम 220 ये गाना है बॉम्ब रैप गेम बिग ब्लॉक तेरे में न बा 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 दो हाथ एक रात किल डोंगे खा 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 रैप गेम बिग ब्लॉक दो हाथ एक रात एक गलती शॉट 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 शॉट
क्या बात है गाइस फायर भेजो हार्ट भेजो सब कुछ भेजो एंड like I don't know, like when I listen to your songs, there are so many variations. So, like if I want to ask you this question, कि how do you define your style? So, क्या है? Like, what is your style?
मैंने काफी ज्यादा रिसर्च करी, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना पड़ा मेरे को काफी क्योंकि टिल लाइक लास्ट 2 months मुझे खुद का स्टाइल नहीं पता था. You're buffering again.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you're back. ठीक है तो माई स्टाइल आई थिंक इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ फ्यूजन बिटवीन इंग्लिश हिंदी एंड पंजाबी. लाइक मेरा कोई भी गाना ऐसा नहीं है जो मैंने लाइक MTV हसल पे नहीं करा हो जिसमें ये फ्यूजन आपको नहीं मिलेगा. एंड आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रेफरेंसेस फ्रॉम मोस्टली नेटफ्लिक्स. लाइक इसमें पीकी ब्लाइंडर्स का था एंड बॉलीवुड की काफी ज्यादा रेफरेंसेस होते हैं. लाइक माई नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग इज कमिंग जिसमें शाहरुख खान का रेफरेंस है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू इंक्लूड ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. शेरनी में भी there were some Bollywood references, there were some Aryan references. So yeah, that's me. English, Hindi, Punjabi with a lot of references and singing and melodies. Melodies is my thing.
So it's like more like you can say fusion of everything. Like
yes.
Nice. And I was thinking कि what's with your this like you have this thing called Friday verse, like where you most of the time you are in the car and you तो वो idea कैसे आया पूरा? Because it looks very cool, like when and you are full dressed up and different looks. उसका idea बताओ यार.
Someone's been doing the research, huh?
No, but it looks good, यार.
Who doesn't know him? He is like the founder of To The Culture, and he's been promoting hip hop since I don't know, since forever, man. Shout out to you.
Thank you. बताओ कैसे आया उसका concept कैसा है? Sorry?
Yeah. I forgot the question. I got it. So this is a free verse Friday. जो भी लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं who don't know कि हर Friday at 6 PM IST I release a kind of a free verse अपनी गाड़ी में बैठ के. So उसका idea basically ये था कि because अभी I can't really release a lot of music एक साथ. तो I keep writing. I keep trying to push myself क्योंकि गानों में एक full fledged गाना जो होता है that is there forever. Like this is also there forever, but it's not on Spotify, it's not there on YouTube and everything. So it's kind of unofficial, but I try to push myself in every way that I can. जो गाने में नहीं डालूंगी as a full-fledged song, but I think that this is something that also defines me.
Right.
So I try to push myself and make the best out of it, and uska response has been absolutely great, man.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. In fact वो बहुत raw और बहुत connective होता है ज़्यादा. Song तो of course है, but when you see someone की मतलब without edit and without just it's a camera and you're just going on the spot verse, बहुत crazy. In fact वो बहुत connect होता है उससे. I think that you should keep going, like you just every Friday just डालते जाइए, कभी रुकना नहीं चाहिए.
ठीक है, we're already 16 episodes down, man.
Wow, yes, I was about to say that. And tell me, second thing, most important thing, ये I think काफी upcoming लोगों को फायदा होगा ये इसका जवाब सुनने में. कि when you write, you know, what's in your mind, like what's your process, what's your creative process when you write a song?
Okay, so what I personally do is मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लिखती. Like when I research on YouTube कि how to be a good rapper and what do other artists do, so they say कि like write a lot, बहुत ज़्यादा लिखो. But मैंने personally I have not done that. What I have done is जब मुझे वो emotion आता है ना, so then I go to YouTube, I find a beat, like I usually go with Doja Cat type of beats या फिर Drake kind of beats. And Eminem kind of beats, like mostly aggressive and something laid back. So I listen to what 30 से 40 beats I listen to, and उसमें से one that actually sticks to my head and that says yes, this is it.
Okay.
उस emotion के हिसाब से that is the perfect beat, and then I just pull out my recorder, क्योंकि एक बारी जब beat तुम सुनते हो ना, and जो पहली बार that creative juices that keep flowing inside of you, that is you in your purest form of, you know, creativity. Nothing else is on your mind. You are absolutely in your zone. And
Right.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता if you're on your in your studio या if you're on your balcony, you know, just listening to music. So yeah, I record it, and the first thing that comes to me is the melody, like the hook.
Okay.
Because I think personally, मैंने underground से पहले मैंने commercial किया, so it comes to me like more naturally.
Yes.
And उसके बाद I come to the verses, and verses भी they just come from inside. Like I don't even, ऐसा होता है कि एक शब्द जो मेरे डैड ने मुझको 10 साल पहले गाड़ी में उर्दू में कोई एक शब्द होगा, वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में किक्स इन एंड वो खुद आता है. I don't know how, but it just happens. It's magic.
But like कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता रहेगा ना कि you know when you write a song, there's a time where यार वो अटक जाता है एक टाइम पे आके. तो what do you like? Do you take a break sometime कि यार अभी मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आ नहीं रहा है यार, मतलब तो वो ब्लॉक होता तो फिर क्या फीलिंग है?
I don't know if I should advise this to other people or not, but I just stopped. I stopped writing.
नहीं, but it's okay ना, मतलब कि फिर थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लिया, like you know, then you do it again tomorrow, try tomorrow, day after, ऐसा.
Yeah,
Nice.
exactly.
So what is like an easiest topic to write on? मतलब कि ये अगर मेरे को ऐसा ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग दिया या लव सॉन्ग दिया तो मैं तो मतलब 2 घंटे में गाना खत्म हो जाएगा. What is the easiest topic for you?
I think flex.
Okay. Yeah. कितना टाइम लगेगा अगर एक गाना कंपोज करना है तो?
So this free verse Friday वाला जो thing is going on. So me being the lazy person I am, what I do is Friday को सुबह में जल्दी उठती हूँ.
Right.
And उसी टाइम में अपनी छत पे जाती हूँ. I give myself 1 hour, 1.5 hours. I write that. I come बाहर वापस नीचे. I record it. I've got this mic here. I edit it, like I recorded my own self FL Studio पे. मैं उसको properly जितना भी मुझसे mix master करता है, I do it. And then I go अपनी गाड़ी में, I record it, and then I finally upload it at 6 o'clock.
Wow. So you like a multitask, मतलब you know खुद record करो, खुद shoot करो, खुद mix master. I think that is a good quality यार. मतलब at least you know, not as you said कि जितना बहुत आता है, but I think सब artist को थोड़ा knowledge होना चाहिए. And especially जो situation अभी चल रहा है, yes, मैं बोल रहा हूँ स्पेशली जो सिचुएशन चल रहा है अभी कि यू नो यू कांट गो आउट, तो अगर थोड़ा बहुत सब कुछ आ रहा है तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन यू नो कम आउट विद सम आउटपुट. ऑफ कोर्स 100% तो नहीं, बट
YouTube पे देयर इज समथिंग लाइक एवरीथिंग इज देयर फॉर फ्री.
या
लीगल या इलीगल वो अलग बात है. यू कैन गेट क्रैक्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई हैव लर्नड लिटरली एवरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन. एंड अगर सब कुछ खुद से आता है ना थोड़ा बहुत, देन जब आप बाकी फ्रीलांसर्स के साथ काम करते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल बीट मेकर्स, एडिटर्स एंड एवरीथिंग, तो यू कैन इंस्ट्रक्ट देम कि आपका विजन क्या है.
राइट.
So it becomes easier.
Yeah, I think because a lot of rappers they focus on their part, मतलब वो म्यूजिक को अलग रहने देते हैं, बट वो भी आई थिंक वही है कि उनको भी क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम होनी चाहिए. बट एज यू सेड कि अगर तुमको वो चीज की थोड़ी नॉलेज है तो वो चीजें इजी हो जाती है. I think it's a good thing. So guys, जो भी है try to like लिखो तो सही, but try to learn छोटा मोटा mix master, sound का knowledge, studio का knowledge, and if you see any questions you can take it, right? मतलब I know we are talking a lot because
लोगों को इग्नोर कर दिया. I'm sorry guys.
guys drop the questions, but I think you know like when we got a lot of DM asking about you, तो उसी में से question है, तो I think we are talking what people want to know. Spit something. Spit हो गया. आप कहाँ थे? आप लेट आए. We'll do it again, but
we'll do it again. Yeah.
Yes. So tell me when you perform on stage, okay? So okay, no, like not you performing on stage. If there's some artist performing on stage and you as an artist crowd में है या side पे यहाँ से देख रहे हो, what are the 2-3 things you notice first in an artist जो perform कर रहा है?
Should I be honest or should I not be honest?
Honest मतलब वही, क्योंकि एक आर्टिस्ट को सबसे पहले देखता है ना कि यार ये क्या पॉइंट्स है जो सबसे पहले नोटिस में आते हैं एक आर्टिस्ट के.
Well, if I'm being very honest, I hate it. I hate being in the crowd. Like शुरू से ही I have absolutely hated being in the crowd watching someone else perform.
Mm-hmm.
Like I specifically remember there was this Budweiser ka event and there were two people in the like industry right now and I
Okay.
was a nobody back then. So I just started
Okay.
my rapping career.
Mm-hmm.
And sab log, like I was watching left and right and I could see all the people buzzing and just jumping and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And I was just still in
Okay.
that whole crowd. Agar mujh pe koi documentary banti na us time pe, that would have been phenomenal. I was just standing there, I was looking at that artist and I was like, that's my dream, that's where I should be, not here.
Right.
So उस
Right.
time पे I just noticed कि what that artist has done right in their life to be there,
Hmm.
so that I could be there.
I
And
think
I just quickly get out of there because I can't
how-
take it.
yeah, वो I think वो dedication सब में होना चाहिए, because if you want to be a performer, it has to be like that is my place. So tell me what happens when there's a technical issue on stage, जैसे mic बंद हो गया, like you're performing और mic बंद हो गया. So what is that one thing you do on the spot? क्या होता है?
So thankfully अभी तक ऐसा हुआ नहीं है.
Okay.
But I would shout, I think.
Okay. नहीं, because there are small glitches जो होते हैं.
नहीं, अभी तक तो all of my shows have been like
Okay.
absolutely perfect. We've done the sound check
Touch
and
wood,
everything.
touch wood, yes.
Yeah. Thankfully.
Who's your all-time favorite rapper? India से?
India से. I think it would be Raja Kumari. She's amazing.
Okay, yeah, of course. And okay, चलो female हो गया. अगर male की बात करें तो?
I have to think really hard. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry. I think Brother V. I love his bars.
And guys, we are almost at the last segment. जिसको जो भी पूछना है.
Yes,
Love
quickly ask me.
Yes. How did you make rap game?
How did I make rap game? Well, आधा मैंने लिखा था Free Words Friday का, because Free Words Friday का part था the first words of rap game, and फिर I like conducted a kind of a poll on my story कि किस किस को इसके पूरे गाने चाहिए. So the top 3 were I think rap game, then the diss that I put out, and the third one was Agsy, like a proper Agsy exclusive. So I made a song out of that. The next song that is coming up is the diss. So that's coming out I think next week. उस गाने का नाम है बेटा कौन तू. So watch out for that.
तो किसके लिए ये?
ये मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ. You will have to watch the song, figure it out, and let me think.
Yes, definitely. Okay, so guys, जो miss out मत करना, follow करो, and if you want to ask anything, direct DM करो. And by the way, do you answer to DMs? मतलब बहुत जन ने ऊपर start में लिखा था, please check my DM. So आपको time मिलता है?
हाँ, I check all of my DMs, I check all of the comments and everything. So yeah, अगर आपको कोई भी मुझसे कुछ भी चीजें पूछनी है after this live, or you have some work that you want me to review, quickly just send it in DM, no issues.
How to make a metaphor rhyme?
How to make a metaphor rhyme? But I personally put the metaphors in between. But if you have like a very slick thing coming up, जैसे Tory Lanez is a rapper, and I put in one of my upcoming singles कि I'm in the lanes, gotta say it like Tory, because Say It was one of his very very famous songs. तो real है glory, क्योंकि banger पे banger है, inventory, sad तेरी story, like something like that. तो maybe what you can do is Lanes and Tory, like Tory Lanez I did Lanes and Tory, and then Tory के साथ rhyme 3 other words, like whatever you can, like Tory के साथ glory and inventory, and just put it at the end, and उसके बाद जो like make some meaningful bars उससे पहले. That's what I did.
Alright, एक और क्वेश्चन आया था कि अगला कोलैब किसके साथ आ रहा है?
अगला कोलैब किसके साथ आ रहा है? I think the latest one जो आ रहा है, I don't know, there are 2 to 3 artists जिनके साथ मैं collab कर रही हूँ अभी, but the next one I think will be with Robsy,
Okay.
another one from KKG.
Nice, nice, nice. All right, guys. Anything else?
They want me to perform. कितने सारे लोगों ने बोला
Yes, मैं वही बोलने वाला था अभी.
people are
Let's
asking
do it.
when will you do a collab with MZ Bella? Well, fun fact, I was going to do a rap game with MZ Bella only, but
Oh,
somehow I didn't figure out. I had to release it that Friday क्योंकि उसके बाद सिकंदर कालो के साथ मेरा गाना आ रहा था, तो you know I had to be like, yeah, I am not just with him, I am me independently as well, so I had to release it, so I did it.
नोएडा
Yeah.
मीटअप कब होने वाला है? Someone is saying.
क्या होने वाला है?
नोएडा मीटअप कब है? नोएडा में मीटअप.
Well, I hope कि लॉकडाउन जल्दी खत्म हो जाए. I really want to meet all of you guys, man. This is so sad. But
Yes.
please stay safe.
Let's do something. जाते जाते एक वापस हो जाए, guys. कौन सा करना चाहते हो? Comment करो. Which song you want her to perform?
Aj's in the house. Hey. What else do we have? Let me know in the comments, guys. कौन सा गाना do you want me to perform?
Yes, yes, yes.
Baby. 1 for baby.
Baby.
2 for baby. Okay. मेरी from Khai. Favorite hustler. Thank you. कैसे तू जी रहा, कैसे धीरे मर रहा. Axie Rocks. Thank you. औरत. Calcutta कब आओगे? I did come to Kolkata. That was HG Club के लिए I did come. Love from Kolkata. Thank you guys. Thank you.
So are you a किसी ने बोला freestyle, तो मेरे को याद आया. Are you a freestyle kind of a person कि you prefer writing and then performing?
I prefer writing. I'm still working on my freestyle, but it's a bit difficult for me at this stage. ठीक है, let's do Khai. There are so many people who want Khai right now.
Let's go. Yes.
Have you heard it?
I have, yes.
Okay, seatbelts on. There you go. Ready guys? Can you hear me?
सोचती हूँ अक्सर कि मैं इस लायक भी हूँ क्या, और फिर तू आता है.
कहता खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, ओ कहता खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, सैर करा भांगा तू चलनी से गड्डी मेरे खत जैसी, मैं कैसी है जो रब ने की वो मैं, दोनों के रे मेरी वजह से खाई में पर केवल की मैं. खैर मेरी जिंदगी तो शुरू से पनौती, हर दिन है चुनौती, मदद मंगनी नहीं आंदी पर क्यों मेरा तू कंधा बनदा, मेरा फंदा तेनू लगदा हूँ तेरे साथ पर, कैसे रो मैं रात भर, सो मैं रात भर, जान कर किसी की जान है हाथ पर. मुझे न तू प्यार कर वार कर, हंसने का हक है क्या मुझे दर्पण, न कभी बनूंगी मैं सर्वगुण संपन्न, कैसे तुझे अपना में मान के तुझको भी करूँ उस खाई में अर्पण, खाई में अर्पण. ओ किंदा खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, ओ किंदा खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, मुझे करना तू शक नहीं, क्यों करता है प्यार, क्यों दिल मेरे लिए तेरा बेकरार, कैसे तुझे दिखती है खिड़की में रोशनी, जहाँ दिखती है मुझे मेरी हार. किंदा सुन थम जा, सब हुंदा लकीरां च मन जा, न तेरी गलती थी न मर्जी जो तू खुद को दोषी कहे, बेवजह खामोशी रहे. कहना तो सही है, मेरे हंजुओं को हंसने में साल भी कई है, योग्य ही नहीं मेरा प्यार, हक से मैं पूछ लूं तुझसे सवाल ये पर. Can you love me when I'm in saying when I'm in pain? Feels no one hasn't. There's nothing that you can do. So now I'm into too broken inside, and I don't know yet if you can handle it. जट्टे खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, ओ किंदा खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, करावांगा तू चलनी, जट्टे खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, खाई तो वगैरह मेरा प्यार, उमड़ ले खाई तो मेरा मेरा प्यार मैं तेरा चन ते तू चननी ਆਪਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੂਰੀਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਲੰਘਣੀ I don't know yet if you can handle it.
Ooh. Are you a trained singer? Because इतना मतलब rap तो ठीक है, but singing में भी wow, like oh my god, like first time when I'm listening to live मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है यार, it looks like you've been singing from ages, like मतलब बचपन से ही लग रहा है ऐसा, मतलब कि singing में हो. Wow.
Who's right? You're right.
Yes.
I wanted to be a singer since forever, man. अभी
Yeah.
भी पता है so many songs जो मैंने सिर्फ गाने लिखे हैं उसके अंदर रैप नहीं है and I so want to release them but you know my team just says कि नहीं you are known as a rapper you shouldn't release song like I'm gonna do it in my album you're gonna watch.
But yes, हाँ, of course अगर है तो why not, like थोड़ा थोड़ा तो धीरे धीरे आना चाहिए. हाँ, by the way, album का क्या planning है, like are you like trying to put it soon?
I am making it अभी थोड़ा सा time लगेगा but yeah you can expect that trying to be
Okay.
serious for rap.
Nice. We'll be waiting for it. And जाते जाते last message for everyone, especially for the upcoming like girls, women, and you know like everyone who is inspired by you, उनको एक message देना है, तो एक जाते जाते एक last message.
Okay, so I would just want to say कि I know कि बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. You've just started, आपने अभी अभी start किया है and nothing seems right. The only thing जो आप अभी कर सकते हो is you know believe in your own self. बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो
Yes.
आपको मिलेंगे कि they will say कि you can't do it and especially for all the girls बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होगा आपके लिए to be a female rapper in India. Don't think that it's you know very easy just because you're a girl. But I would just want to say कि if you think that you can do it अगर अंदर से वो आवाज आती है कि this is something that you're meant to do, be it anything, be it you want to be a painter, you want to be you know a b-boy, you want to be anyone.
Yes.
So just don't give up. Because if you're good and if you keep persisting, I know it's very cliche, but it happens. And शाहरुख खान ने क्या बोला था कि जिस चीज के पीछे पड़ जाओ फिर पूरा
पूरी
कायनात से
कायनात.
तुम्हें
Yes.
मिला.
I think this is a crazy closing line यार, इससे अच्छा closing line मिल ही नहीं सकता है. And thank you so much. बहुत मजा आया बात करके. And guys, people who have more questions, please DM करो उनको, वो regularly check करती है. And if your question is worth giving an answer, she will reply. ऐसा नहीं है, I understand कि बहुत चीजें miss हो जाती है, but yeah, she'll try her best to give answers to everyone. And again, thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you soon. And yes,
Thank
before
you so
going,
much. You are here with me.
yes, it was pleasure, yeah, it was pleasure. And by the way, I have come live on your page, so make sure you save the live story पे या post पे delete नहीं होना चाहिए, because I personally want this. ठीक है? So I'll just download from there. And yes, thank you again, and I'll see you soon next time. And जैसे भी गाना आएगा, फट drop करो. We all are waiting for your song.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll see you. Bye.
Hi. So, MTV Hustle has left. I just want to say कि thank you so much for being here with me. I know कुछ technical difficulties हो गई थी and that's why I couldn't really go live on MTV Hustle का page. But this has been amazing. Thank you so much for everything. And yeah, with that, ciao.